Computing correlation. Computing correlation. So what about computing correlation? We can represent a 2 by 2 table in JavaScript with a 4 element array like 76 and 9 and 4 and 1. And you could also use other representation such as an array containing two elements arrays like 76 and 9 and 4 and 1, and or an object with property names like 11 and 01. But the flat array is simple and makes the expressions that access the table pleasantly short, and will interpret the indices to the array as 2-bit binary numbers, and where the leftmost most significant and digit refers to the squirrel variable, and the rightmost and least significant digit refers to the event variable. For example, the binary number 10 refers to the case where and Jax did turn into a squirrel, but the events say pizza didn't occur, and this is happened 4 times. And since binary 10 is 2 in decimal notation, and you will store this number at index 2 of the array. This is the function that computes the coefficient from such an array, like this example now. This is a direct translation, by the way, of the formula into JavaScript math.square, and is the square root function as provided by the math object in a standard JavaScript environment. And we have to add 2 fields from the table to get fields like, because the sums of rows or columns are not stored directly in our data structures. And Jax keeps his journal for 3 months, by the way, and the resulting data set is available in the coding sandbox for this chapter. And where is the stored in the journal binding and in a downloadable file. And the extract a 2 by 2 table for a specific event from the journal, and we must loop over all the entires and tell how many times the event occurs in relation to squirrel transformations, like this example now. And arrays, by the way, arrays have an includes method that checks whether a given value exists, and in the array, the function uses that to determine whether the event name is interested in is part of the event list for a given day. And the body of the loop in the table 4 figures out which box in the table each journal entry falls into by checking whether the entry contains the specific event it's interested in, and whether the event happens alongside a squirrel incident. And the loop then adds 1 to the correct box in the table, and we now have the tools we need to compute individual correlations, and the only step remaining is to find a correlation for every type of event that was recorded and see whether anything stands out.